Welcome, here I've got Lenovo K6 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and here at the third position we have aspect ratio option, so let's pick it. Now we can manage it, we can change it between 16 and 9, which is now 4 and 3. And as you can see, the background has changed to the shorter one, so this is how it works. Another tap to the left corner button to aspect ratio, and let's move to 1 and 1, the last option. Now in the background we can see the square aspect ratio. And of course, by tapping on the left corner button once again, then aspect ratio, you can pick whatever you need. Now let me go back to 16 and 9, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.